Happy Tuesday, everyone. I hope you guys did a great job yesterday on your independent work. I'm going to review what those assignments were first to get you started, and then I'll talk about today's work. Just a reminder, though, before we start, you need to make sure that you're doing all of your specials work. So yesterday you had either music or gym, depending on which class you had, whether you were in my homeroom or Miss Cipriani's homeroom. So make sure you're really checking over whatever specials work you guys have. Also, just a reminder that the end of third quarter is next week. So we'll be looking for finalizing grades, assignments, and then starting fourth quarter grades already. So if you're not completing your independent work during the days, you're going to really start to fall behind, and I don't want that to affect your overall third quarter grade, because all of these things, guys, are just review activities to get you going and get you ready for fourth quarter map testing and state testing. Okay, so yesterday you can always find late assignments under the late assignment category. So these are things that are from past days. Today is the last day that you can submit the Ed puzzle from chapters 5 and 6 in Road to Freedom for a grade. So make sure you're checking and you get that done. Yesterday you also had a figurative language practice and a theme question practice. Again, if you don't like the grade that you got on that, please just do it again. You guys can do these as many times as you want and continue to practice them just to simply help boost your grade and review, okay? For social studies, yesterday you were asked to read an article in ReadWorks on the slave trade in the United States. You could pick whichever one you wanted, and all you had to do was write one book of knowledge, which is 2 to 3 things that you learned, okay? So that was yesterday's work. For today, you need to make sure you have 8 units completed on Lexia by the end of the day. I have a YouTube video on internal versus external characteristics, which is a review, a Blukit homework assignment. So this one is all on internal versus external characteristics. It's not like the Blukit we've done in the past where you have to put in a code. If you simply click this link, it will take you to the homework assignment in Blukit. And then finally, you guys have Do You Know the Theme? It's a quick theme review. We did theme yesterday in our theme questions. Remember, theme is what you can learn from the story, what the author is trying to teach you. Again, you can do this as many times as you want to get the score that you would like, okay? Just to make sure you really know. Now, for social studies, you do have an Ed puzzle on the regions of the United States. It's just 5 questions, and it should be very easy for you as long as you're watching the video. You also need to do one more article in ReadWorks, okay? So a couple of you that might not have logged into our class, I hope you have. Here's the code just in case. So you're going to read a second article today and fill out a book of knowledge, which again is just 2 to 3 things that you learned from the article. ReadWorks is also under your late assignment section. Please, as always, feel free to email me if you have any questions or concerns about your assignments for today. I look forward to seeing you all next week. I'm really excited to have everybody back, and I cannot wait to see what amazing things you guys do. I hope you have a wonderful Tuesday. Thanks, guys.